Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up parental controls on your iPhone using screen time. This is super helpful if you want to manage your child's device usage, set up limits, or block certain content. But before that, here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open screen time. Step 2. Downtime. Step 3. Always allow. Step 4. App limits. Step 5. Communication limits. Step 6. Content and privacy restrictions. Step 7. Set a screen time passcode. Let's jump right into it. Step number 1. Open screen time. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is where all the parental control features live. If you have not set it up yet, just tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. You will want to choose This is my child's iPhone if you are setting it up for a child. Step number 2. Downtime. Let's start with downtime. This feature lets you schedule time away from the screen, like during homework, dinner, or bedtime. Tap Downtime, turn it on, and set the hours. For example, you can block most apps from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. You can also customize it by day, so weekends can have a different schedule. Just tap Customize Days and adjust the times for each day of the week. During downtime, only apps you specifically allow will still work. Step number 3. Always allowed. Next, tap Always allowed. This is where you pick up the apps that are available even during downtime. By default, phone, messages, FaceTime, and maps are allowed. You can add more apps. Just tap the plus sign next to any app you want to allow. You can also remove apps from the allowed list by tapping the minus sign. At the top, you will see Contact Settings. You can control who can be contacted during downtime, either everyone or specific contacts. Step number 4. App Limits. Now let's set app limits. Tap App Limits, add limit, and you will see categories like social, games, or entertainment. For example, you can tap social, check all the apps in the category, and hit next. Now set a time limit, like 1 hour per day, and tap Add. You can also limit specific apps instead of categories. Just tap the arrow next to a category, find the app, like Instagram, then set a custom time limit. This is a great way to prevent overuse of certain apps while still giving some flexibility. Step number 5. Communication limits. You can also control who can be contacted during screen time or downtime. Tap Communication Limits and choose whether to allow communication with everyone, contacts only, or contacts and groups with at least one contact. Personally, I prefer using the contact controls under Always Allow, but this is another helpful tool if you want tighter restrictions. Step number 6. Content and privacy restrictions. Now for content and privacy restrictions, this is where you block access to inappropriate content and prevent certain changes to the device. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. Under iTunes and App Store purchases, you can block installing or deleting apps or in-app purchase. Under Allowed Apps, you can disable apps like Safari if you don't want web browsing. Under the App Store, Media, Web, and Games, you can filter by age rating by tapping Movies, like allowing only R13 movies or blocking explicit music. You can also limit web content, either adult websites or allow only specific websites you choose. This gives you a lot of control over what content can be accessed. Step number 7. Set a screen time passcode. Once everything's set, go back to the main screen time page and tap Use Screen Time Passcode. Choose a 4-digit passcode. Just make sure it is different from your lock screen passcode. This keeps your settings protected, so kids can just go in and change them. You can also link it to your Apple ID for recovery, in case you forget the passcode. And there you have it, on how to set up iPhone parental control. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you are always up to date with our latest content. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.